How to factory reset iPhone. To factory reset an iPhone, follow these steps. Go to Settings. Tap General. Scroll to the bottom and select Reset. Tap Erase all content and settings. Enter your passcode if prompted. Confirm the reset by tapping Erase iPhone. Note: factory resetting an iPhone will erase all personal data, settings, and apps from the device. Make sure to back up important data before resetting. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Like it, share it, and please do comment. Thank you.